Hello, welcome to the video. This is the Northman speaking, and today the headline says Daily Market Update: Stock Market rallies while Bitcoin stalls ahead of record options expiry. Bitcoin price drops below 88,000 while S&P 500 rises 0.6 ahead of record 28.5 billion crypto options expiry on Deribit Friday. Crypto and stock market update. And the main points from this article is Bitcoin fell below 88,000 on Monday after briefly climbing above 90,000 earlier in the trading session. Over 28.5 billion in Bitcoin and Ether options are set to expire Friday on Deribit, marking the largest expiry in the exchange history. The S&P 500 rose 0.6%, while the Dow gained 228 points as Wall Street saw a broadly rally to start the holiday shortened week. Traders are positioning defensively ahead of year-end, rolling December puts into January spreads between 80 and 75,000. Crypto-related stocks showed mixed performance with up to 16%, while strategy turned negative after earlier gains. Bitcoin continued its downward slide on Monday, falling below 88,000 after trading above 90,000 earlier in the day. Ethereum also dropped back under 3,000 as crypto markets saw steady declines through the US trading session. Here you can see the charts. The price moves comes as traders prepare for Friday's record-setting options expiration on Deribit. More than 28.5 billion in Bitcoin and Ether options contracts are set to expire, representing over half of the exchange's 52.2 billion in open interests. Sean David Pigano, Deribit's chief commercial officer, said this year-end expiry of caps a year defined by institutional maturity. Bitcoin's 96,000 level represents the max pain point where option writers would benefit most from the expiry. About 1.2 billion in open interest sits at the 85,000 strike price for put options. This concentration could push spot prices lower if selling pressure increases ahead of the expiry. Traders have been rolling their positions forward rather than closing them out. There has been a shift from December puts at 85,000 to 70,000 into January. Put spreads between 80 and 75,000 as I just read. The defensive positioning suggests traders are covering immediate year-end risks while remaining cautious about early 2026. Short-term protective puts have become more expensive, through mid-term call spreads targeting 100,000 to 125,000 remain active. Stock market posts broad gains. Wall Street started the holiday shortened week with gains across major indexes. The S&P 500 rose 0.6 to finish near its December 11 closing high of 6.901. Here shows the EMI S&P 500 that you can read from yourself. The Dow Jones Industrial Average added 228 points to or 0.5%. The Nasdaq Composite climbed 0.5% as the tech rally continued. And the Russell 200 outperformed larger indices, gaining 1.10% as traders moved into riskier assets. ETFs focused on high beta stocks, and momentum also posted strong gains. Crypto market stocks showed mixed results. Crypto-related equities delivered mixed performance on Monday. Hut 8 led gainers with a 16% increase following last week's announcement of a 15-year AI data center lease with FluidStack. Benchmark analyst Mark Palmer raised his price target to Hut 8, providing additional support for the stock. Coinbase and Robinhood also traded in positive territory, though both pulled back from session highs as crypto prices weakened. Strategy swung from a 3% gain to a modest loss by the end of the trading day. The choppy action in Bitcoin between 85 and 90,000 has created uncertainty for stocks tied to crypto performance. And that was the article. I hope that you're having a wonderful Christmas, and don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. See ya.